Hi, welcome to Unit 3. Up until this point, we haven't written any code really. You've seen me write a little bit. I've talked about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We know how they fit together now. And we've installed Sublime Text in preparation for writing code. And now we finally get to start writing code. So there are two units about HTML, this one and then the following unit. And in this first one, there are three main things that I want to talk about around HTML. The first is that by the end of this unit, I want you to be able to write your own properly structured HTML documents. So there's a set of tags or some code that every HTML document must have. There's a set of rules we have to follow. So that's the first thing I want you to be able to do. Then we're going to talk about different types of tags. So I'm going to introduce some of the common HTML tags, common elements of two different varieties, closing and self-closing tags. So I want you to be able to understand and define the difference between the two, and I want you to be able to use the two types inside of your documents. And then the last thing is that at the very end of this unit, I'm going to give you a small project. It's really more of an exercise than a project, but these will get more and more complicated, more exciting, definitely more styled towards the end of the class. But to start, it's going to be pretty simple. And the idea is that you can use this assignment to assess your progress. So I'm going to give you a photo of a website that I've made. And website is pretty generous. It's really just a simple web page, no styling, pure HTML. You're going to take it and you're going to have to figure out exactly how to recreate that website using HTML. So from a photo, recreate a website. And that will be the last thing we do in the unit before we move on to more advanced HTML in Unit 4. All right, let's get started.